Good day, my friends. Today is 27 December 2024. I'm here in the small tropical island, Singapore. In less than a week, it will be the new year, 2025. I'm wishing you a happy new year. In late 2024, I've started a YouTube channel on artificial intelligence on machine learning and I have touched on some of the Python coding in basic models like linear regression, logistic regression, SVM, support vector machine, and ANN, artificial neural network. These are just at the very basic level, nothing complicated yet. Let's go further into AI machine learning in 2025 together. There are just so too many things to learn and to move on. Things like AI agent, generative AI, and prompt engineering are the very interesting stuff to look into. But I think I'll stick on to machine learning, focusing on Scikit-Learn and TensorFlow for a while first in 2025. I'll also be venturing into Power BI in 2025. We'll start on with the setting of the environment, mainly on Microsoft SQL Server, Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio, and the Power BI desktop application. In the Power BI series, I'll leverage on the very popular AdventureWorks 2022 dataset. We'll store this dataset in the SQL Server, and Power BI will connect to the SQL Server for the extraction. Of course, together we will do ETL, but only on the selected tables, specifically on the sales record information side. We will extract, we will transform, we will load from this data source into Power BI workspace. Then together we will present a compelling business story through visualizations. In between, of course, there will be DEX, data analysis expression, and the charts, the tables, the graphs, the maps, and so on. We'll do this together in a weekly manner on the popular AdventureWorks 2022 dataset. And to work this out and to make surface the critical business information through storytelling from the visualizations, as number cannot lie. This allows companies, key stakeholders to gather vital and critical business informations and for them to gather valuable insights so that they can make a more confident and accurate business decisions. Simply to make more money, to cut more costs, and to expand their market share. Please do come in and join me in 2025 on my YouTube channel. Nothing fancy. I'll start small and easy. For sure, this shall be a very interesting and exhilarating and enriching experience. This is Kinley, AI ML Go.